dietitian here at the Stram Center, and today we're gonna make nut milk. So we're gonna show you how you can make your own. It's very simple. We're gonna make Brazil nut and pumpkin seed milk. You can make this with any nuts that you prefer, whether it's cashews or almond milk, kind of traditional. You can do it with different seeds as well. This is a really nice blend because of how it tastes, but also the nutritional benefits. First, you want to soak them overnight. You soak raw nuts and seeds. Different nuts and seeds take different amounts of time, so I like to just kind of do it overnight. That way it gets enough time. So now that I have my soaked nuts and seeds, I've drained them and I'm gonna put them in the blender with filtered water. And I like to do a ratio of about 1 cup to 2 to 3 cups. If you like yours with a little bit more flavor, you can make it a little bit denser, you know, a little less water. I'm going to put in cinnamon and vanilla. I'm not really precise about the measuring. So you want to blend it for about 1 minute. So here I have a nut milk bag. You can also use a fine mesh strainer. Then I just pour the whole shebang into the bag. And then you really just squeeze it all out so that you're left with the pulp. You can save the pulp. I like to use it to make muffins or bread. So it's still really nutritious and it gives a really good texture, flavor and nutrition to some of your baked goods. And there we have our nut milk.